Today I'm going to show you how to adjust video speed ramps. Alright, so we start with a video clip. We go over to the right hand side, we tap on speed. This will not be for the entire project, this will be just for the actual video clip that's inserted into your timeline. And here you can manually adjust the speed over here. So as you can see, we're going to just make it 2 times. This is what it looks like. Okay. Now, if we want to change the duration, let's say we're looking for a very specific duration. Let's say we want it to be 5.5 seconds long. We can go and see that's what it's going to look like. But what we want to do here is go over to curve. And here you will see a bunch of different speed ramps. Now, let's say we want to go and click on this one. It will now, as you can see here, let's hold in control on our keyboard. And let's just use our mouse wheel to zoom in here. And Alt will allow you to move left and right. Okay, we've got our video clip. And here is where we are able to actually set and adjust the speed ramp. So currently, this is what the video looks like. So it's going to go faster, and then it's going to go slower, and then it's going to come back to normal speed. Right, so what we want to do here is, let's say we want to click down, we want to adjust this. So let's move this one down. Let's move this one down too. Let's say we want to move this up right over here. And we want to move this over here. All right. And then we want to just move this like that. And let's say we want to jump this over like that. Let's go ahead and push play. And as you can see on the right hand side, this is how it's working. All right, that looks cool. Now all you have to do is go ahead and mess around with this, and then you can change the way your speed ramp is actually moving. You can also enable their smooth slow-mo. You can also customize this, so it'll just give you a blank sheet over here to work from. You can go ahead and let's say you want to move it like this. Okay. Like that, like that. Let's move that one back up there. Let's move it about. And let's say we want to add another one in over here. Go ahead, click on the plus icon, and let's say we're going to move it back down over here. And this essentially is what this will look like. All right, now you can use the speed ramp.